comes up from the Red Alliance.
They have a play.
I can't tell.
I believe in it.
Or you believe in your team?
All right, we'll start our match in 3, 2, 1. All right, looks like we got movement from both red and blue alliances here. Looks like 3188 was unable to get their first specimen here. Looks like we got parking on the blue alliance side by team 20704. And the field gets quiet.
So I'm looking at the
Yeah.
I'm noticing that they have the
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we have the start of our teleoperating period with blue up by 3 points. Looks like we'll have these robots moving around. Look at the chaotic movement over here by the observation zone by the Red Alliance. Looks like Blue Alliance is lining up. 20704 lining up for their Alliance specific sample that they're trying to pick up. Looks like we've got 3 Mechanism robots. The Mechanism wheels allow the robots to move in all directions on the field in 1 6-wheel drive robot.
which basically
Looks like Blue Alliance is getting 1 Alliance neutral sample into its net zone. Looks like Ramming Speed is trying to work on their Alliance specific samples. Possibly moving over the net zone here. Red Alliance picking up their Alliance neutral samples and placing them in the high basket, earning quite a few number of points for their team.
you might want to do that.
They've got 2 in the high basket so far on the Red Alliance side, and then 1 specimen by 3188. We've got about 20 seconds left in the match until end game. Looks like Red Alliance has kind of got a groove going with 1 team working on the baskets and 1 working on the specimens.
What's up?
5 seconds until end game. And that whistle means we are in end game. Robots can start climbing and earning points based on the level they climb to, or they can park in the observation zone. 15 seconds left in the game. 10 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got our scores for that last match. Go through our animation here. Then our submersible scan this sample, and we have a Red Alliance victory, 87 points to 5. Give it up to the Red and Blue Alliances.